The LG V20 user here, and today I'm in a video on the Moto E6 for Boost Mobile. So the Moto E6 is not here at Boost Mobile. It's available as of August 28th, I believe it was. That's when this one got released. So this one's new, obviously. The Moto E6 is upgraded over the Moto E5 Play from last year. The specs between the two phones are similar, but this phone has Pi and the Moto E5 Play has Oreo. So you keep in mind this is a budget phone, so you keep in mind as well. So the Moto E6 is currently on sale for $99.99, so $80 is the current price, but the full retail price of the Moto E6 for Boost is $109.99, so they currently have it on sale $30 off. So if you guys are interested, take advantage of that while you can. So there's the phone right there in front of you. You guys can see that it does have an 18:9 screen, front-facing camera, earpiece, and stuff like that. So you do have your clock over here, your front-facing camera, earpiece, your clock that was I'm a big fan of the clock. Nice clock, you know. Nice wallpaper right here, you know. You got Motorola logo on the bottom. And then on the right side of the phone, you do have your power button and your writing keys on the right side of the phone there. The left side, you have nothing. On the right side, you only have your power and writing keys there. There's left side there, and here's the back of the Moto E6. You guys have a camera flash, and your Motorola logo there on the back, and this is available in black. So yeah, the Metro version is blue, I think, because they got this phone last week, and I think the Metro PCS version is blue. In my opinion, I think it's blue from the way that I can see the Metro version is blue, and this one's all black. So yeah, so it says here the entertainment you crave doesn't have to blow your budget. Meet the new Motorola Moto E6. See more in scroll glass, only 5.5 inch Max Vision HD Plus display designed for one-handed use. Always on the move. Go all day and then some on a single charge. Enjoy lag-free performance while playing games and watching videos. Capture crystal clear photos and boost the quality of your selfies. Plus get more from your phone with the new Android 9 Pie OS, and simply do more with Moto experiences that make it easier to use. The new Moto E6 for big fun. It's a small price to pay. So yeah. So the Moto E6 is $80 right now. They kind of have it on sale at Boost Mobile. So if you guys are interested in this phone, get it while it's $80. You know. So the Moto E6 has a 5.5 inch display, 18:9, 87p HD, 13 megapixel rear-facing camera. I think it has a 5 megapixel front-facing camera. You do have 16 gigabytes of storage, 29 hours of talk time, and Android 9.0 Pie right there. So like I said, this is not much of an upgrade over the Moto E5 Play from last year, except for this phone has Android Pie on board, and this one has an 18:9 screen, while the E5 Play has a 16:9 screen. Alright. So how it works, of course, you order the phone you want, wait for your phone to arrive and pick a new contract plan and order and activate online. So pretty self-explanatory there. So stretch your imagination, bring your favorite movies, games, and websites to life on your black screen. The Max Vision HD Plus display gives you maximum viewing thanks to an 18:9 aspect ratio, so you show less and enjoy more. With its 5.5 inch size, you will love the fact that you can see so much and still hold the phone comfortably in one hand. Play all day, go all day, and then some on a single charge. The 3000 mAh battery gives you up to 29 hours of power. Enjoy enough to watch 5 full-length movies back to back, or play games non-stop for more than 8 hours. Really into music? You can even listen to songs offline for 109 hours straight. So that's pretty cool, right? Focus on better photos. With a fast focusing 13 megapixel camera, you won't miss a thing. Plus add a professional touch to your photos with features like spot color and portrait mode. Interact with the world around you in new ways thanks to Google Lens and get great results even in low light with big. I'm not sure what that is, I'm not sure what that means, but it's like big pixels and shit along with a large f2.0 aperture lens there. Selfies worth sharing. With a new built-in screen flash on the 5 megapixel front camera, your selfies sound great even in less than perfect light. Instant gratification. Inside Moto E6 you will find a powerful processor that keeps everything from the beautiful pictures you take to the movies you watch running smoothly. The Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor responds instantly to every touch, tap and swipe so you get right to the good stuff. They don't tell you what the processor is. I think it's Snapdragon 429. I think it's Snapdragon 429 processor. So there you go. Get more angry by harness the power of artificial intelligence to give you more from your phone. Now it's smarter, faster, and adapts as you use it. Whether you are saving time with apps that predict what you're about to do, or enjoying more natural and intuitive navigation, Angry 9 Pi helps you make the most of your Moto E6. Simply do more. We are constantly adding new features to our collection of Moto experiences to make your experience easier and more enjoyable. Take Moto Display, which gives you a quick preview of notifications and updates, so you don't have to unlock your phone to see what's going on, or Moto Actions, which lets you use the simple gestures like tap twice for flashlight, twist for quick capture, and more. So as the Moto gestures on hand like the tap for a flashlight and the twist your wrist to open the camera, stuff like that and whatnot, to make everyday interactions more convenient. That's just a glimpse of what your phone can do. Look for more on the Moto app. So this has a lot of features on it, of course. Updates at a glance. Don't jump through hoops to stay in the loop. Moto Display gives you a quick preview of notifications and updates, so you can see what's going on without unlocking your phone. And the screen knows when you're looking at something, so it won't turn off while you're reading. Make room for more. Add up to 256 gigabytes more photos, songs, and movies thanks to a dedicated microSD card slot. Water repellent coating, water repellent design, water repellent and waterproof. This is not waterproof, guys, so your Moto E6 is not waterproof, so do keep it in mind. Just never let spill, spices, or a little sweat get in the way, whether you're stopping for a drink or going for a run. A water repellent coating keeps your phone protected inside and out. Android 9 Pie. Android 9 has the power of artificial intelligence to give you more from your phone. Now it's smarter, faster, and adapts as you use it. Whether you are saving time with apps that predict what you are about to do, or enjoying the natural and intuitive navigation, Android 9 helps you make the most of the Moto E6. They basically had up here to get more, so they basically had that twice, but whatever. It also says Mexico and capable of forces. Yeah, I got some just in Mexico, but you need to plan out without the work, so stay connected. Even when you travel to Mexico, plan out on what's required for that, so do keep it in mind. It also is voice roaming capable. Just keep talking, even when you're temporarily outside the Sprint network. Select plans include 15 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. So if you go somewhere and you get stuck out in the middle of nowhere and you don't have Sprint service, you can use your phone to get help and stuff like that, and you do get 15 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. So do keep it on, usually for emergencies, of course. It is mobile hotspot capable for you guys know that says don't get stuck with that internet connection. Do need to find an Android Wi-Fi hotspot for when to get access values per point. So yeah. So the Moto E6 is here, guys. This is what the specs look like. These are this is a budget phone. Has a 30,000 mAh battery. Talk time up to 29 hours. The battery is removable, so that's where your SIM card and SD card is in the back. You have 2 GB of RAM, 16 GB of RAM with the micro SD card charge up to 256 GB. Qualcomm Snapdragon 429 processor, Android Pie, 13 megapixel rear-facing camera and 5 megapixel front-facing camera with portrait mode, 5.5 inch magnification HD plus display. The dimensions of the Moto E6 is 5.89 inches in height, 2.85 inches in width, and 0.34 inches depth. The Moto E6 weighs 5.60 ounces. And for your connectivity options for the Moto E6 is you get Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, USB-C, 3.5 headphone jack there. So that is always nice to have. What you guys get in the box is y'all guys get the Moto E6 to charge or some kind of install. You get the USB-C cable, import information book, and your SIM pin. So that's what you guys get in the box, and the option is special there. If you guys need help with your Moto E6, Boost Mobile is here to help you out with that with device support. So if you guys need to learn how to set up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email, or if you guys need to learn how to do anything on the device support, we'll help you out with that. So yeah, there you guys have the Moto E6 is not available at Boost Mobile. It's currently on sale for $99.99. But the full retail price of the Moto E6 for Boost Mobile is $199.99. So if you guys are looking for a backup phone, the Moto E6 is worth checking out. It does look very nice. There's not much upgrades over the Moto E5 Play from last year. So if you guys got the Moto E5 Play right now, do not get this phone because you're not really missing much, except for Android Pie and a Type-C charging cable. Other than that, the 2 phones are spec'd similarly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys have really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.